Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by logging into the Dahua Dvr as an admin. This gives the options you need. Once logged in, use a connected USB mouse or the front panel to access the on-screen menu. Make sure the DVR is on the same monitor you can read clearly. Next, open the main menu and select System or Network without delay. These sections contain the QR code generation options you'll use. Stay focused. We'll find the exact QR location in the next step. Now you navigate into network or mobile settings where Dahua stores remote access controls. Once inside, locate platform access or remote access. That's where the device pairs with phone apps. If platform access is off, enable it. This triggers the DVR to generate a QR code tied to device credentials. Make sure the time and date are correct because mismatch can block QR creation. Once the code appears on screen, don't close the menu. You'll need it immediately for the next step. With the QR visible, open the Dahua DMSS or official app on your phone and choose Add Device Scan QR. You point your phone camera at the screen and confirm pairing. If the scan fails, check local network connectivity and ensure the DVR's date/time match internet time. These are common blockers. If the QR never appears, toggle platform access off then on, or reboot the DVR. One key tip: restart the DVR after changes before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.